she's Rainbow, my partner. Today we are going to share with you how we can make an easy appetizer, ladies fingers. Ladies finger, Rainbow 俾你啊。哎呀，係咪得過你啊？係啊。Ladies finger, so let's get started. And we use salt to wash it and wash the surface. Rinse it. Wow, rainbow! And now we are trying to remove this part. So after we wash it and prep it, we start to cook our okra, ladies fingers. So this is a very easy step. Ooh, we boil the water first.我哋等一陣好冇？咩嚟㗎？ What is this, Rainbow? What is this? Ah, ladies finger. 係啊 fingers. 1, 2, 3. No, this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 係啦，俾媽媽。Oh, thank you. Okay, when the water ready, we put the okra into the boiling water. Ooh. We boiled it 1 to 2 minutes. Let's get my timer. Timer. 手機。Timer 1.5 minutes. Let's wait. And when it's cooking, let me get the ice first.好啦，俾粒你玩啦。咁凍嘅。OK， 好，你幫媽媽。Oh, thank you。係喎，好嘢！好靚喎 ！Let's check. Okay, time's up. Rainbow， 你要拎啲 okra 出嚟啦。See the colors, so nice. Okay, Rainbow， 我哋要攞啲呢個過去啦。哦，哎呀！熱唔熱啊？熱唔熱㗎 ？Okay, let's wait a minute. 你幫我抹台啊？係喎，你幫媽媽抹台先。呢個都抹啊？呢個擺嗰啲啦。抹台。你幫媽媽抹台，濕晒啦呢度。哦！ You're not helping. Let it cool. It's still hot. Let it cool first. 哇！洗手啊？你係咪洗手啊？哇！差唔多啦，係咪啊？差唔多啦 ，OK， 差唔多啦 ，Rainbow。媽媽去攞碟先，媽媽去攞碟。哦，媽媽攞碟啊！媽媽攞碟。So it's almost ready. We can take it out. Drain it. 俾一隻你啦。係喎。好啦，咁 Rainbow 你幫媽媽擺過去，擺呢度，擺過去。係喎，好犀利喎，好犀利喎。Hello， 喂 ，Rainbow 啊 ，Rainbow 啊 ，Hello，Hello， 喂 ，Rainbow。係。哎呀呀，哎呀呀。Okay, when it's ready, then we place it nicely. Place it nicely. When you buy lady's finger, it's better to buy in 4 inches. Within 4 inches is better because otherwise the too big one will be too old. Look at that! Our lady's finger is almost ready. Rainbow， 媽媽俾一條你，媽媽俾一條你，俾一條你，係喎。Okay, let's make our sauce. It's very easy. First of all, we have a bowl, and then we need wasabi, and also Japanese soy sauce for sushi. If you have this kind of pack, you can ready and prepare this one. If you don't have, you can use soy sauce and add a little bit sugar to stir it. Then it's ready to eat. So we put soy sauce, and soy sauce 喎，明啊 Rainbow？ 豉油啊 Rainbow。She is trying to desist. 哎，又跌咗啦。Oops. And wasabi as you want. We add a little bit. 啊，俾你 Let chopsticks. 好 chopsticks. We stir it. And you can now taste it. Just like this, it's very easy, right? And also, if you want, you can put the soy sauce on top. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is very easy, yummy appetizer. And this is very good health too. So Rainbow 俾一支你啊。If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe this channel, and put the alarm button, and you can see the first video at the first time. So see you next week. Bye bye. Rainbow 同大家講拜拜，拜拜，拜拜，拜拜，拜拜。